Hello everyone, today we will introduce how to convert the LT20 smart key type by detecting original key in K518 PRO. Firstly, we need to choose special functions. Then key settings, LT20 smart key. Select the convert smart key type. Place the LT20 smart key to be generated into the color slot. Choose by identifying working key. Take the LT20 smart key far away from the color slot and put the working key inside. Now we can see the frequency of the working key. Select the frequency we just detected. Choose the button type same as the working key. Put the LT20 smart key to be generated back to the color slot. Start command. Conversion is successful. Have a nice day.